Hi everybody, it's Linda. Welcome back to Tips for You. Well, I thought I would do an unboxing video today of my favorite shoes, Merrell shoes. I just ordered a few of them. They had their new spring arrivals and I couldn't resist. I've been aware of their shoes for a very long time, and if you're into comfort, as I am, these are extremely comfortable shoes. They also offer you a lot of stability and support, which is really important for me because I'm on my feet a lot. So if you're on your feet a lot, you're a nurse, you're a hairdresser, somebody who stands up or walks around a lot, then you're going to love these shoes. These are my all-day shoes. I literally wear them all day, and I have a pair for indoors, which never leaves my house. So I know they're always clean. They're kind of like my slippers. I wear them, but they're supportive shoes. And then I have a pair that I go out in. I have several pairs of these shoes. But it was time for me to get some new ones. Now, the current ones that I have, these here, these are called the Encore Nova shoes. I've had them for a long time. They're slip-ons, they're all leather, they've got that grip sole. They couldn't be more comfortable. Great arch support, stability. They replaced them with the Encore Q2. So I needed a new pair. I mean, the ones that their bottom is finally wearing out. They're probably almost 10 years old, if I had to guess. And so are my flip-flops. So they had some new arrivals with flip-flops, so I bought some of those too. And here's my box they sent me here. I'm going to open that, and I'm going to open these. I had to order, like, usually a 7, but I never am quite sure with shoes whether I'm a 7 or a 7.5 because I have a wide foot. So I learned last year when I tried to buy some of their flip-flops, I don't know, I just couldn't seem, they're always, companies are always changing the way things fit and their styles, so I really struck out last year with the fit. I'm trying again this year, and I'll show you. I'm trying to replace these that I have had. I think they're called the Pansy flip-flop. Unbelievable comfort. I've had these since 2008, and they're still going strong. No wear on the bottom. Okay, the only wear you see is obviously, but I'm deathly afraid they're going to break, and I have nothing. So I've been trying to replace them, and I did find something non-Merrell last spring to replace them because I couldn't find a pair of Merrells that my foot fit right and comfortable in. So I'll show you what I bought. These are really cute. If you're looking for a comfortable flip-flop, it's something you can really walk in. I mean, if you go to New York City or you're walking like miles and you just want comfort and support and you don't want to feel that ground beneath your feet, like I can't wear those thin flip-flops anymore. I won't even wear them unless I'm like walking around in like the pool or at the beach or something. That's fine. But to really go shopping or whatever, and I'm always in flip-flops in the summertime, I cannot wear them. I have to have something with support. So I invest and I buy things that are, and Merrells are not exactly cheap. I mean, they're well-made, good, quality shoes with stability and, high-performance shoes that don't wear out, and they have great soles. But these are Skechers, and I bought these last summer. I don't think I probably paid maybe like $40, $45, maybe something like that, maybe less. I had a coupon. I got them at DSW. So comfortable. They have a great arch support. Look at the thick soles. They're really cute on. I'll show you what they look like. Aren't they cute? Right? They're just really comfortable. So they have a really nice arch support, really comfortable, and so I wanted to tell you about those too. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing here, and we'll take a look at what, I'll show you what I got. Okay, see, look at all these shoes. How exciting. I'll show you what I decided on. So I got these that I'm wearing because I really need those. Okay, let me find those. Okay, those are called the Encore Q2 slide, and I love the slides because I like to slip in and out. They're very comfortable. Aren't those pretty? They're all leather on the top. Look at that great bottom. They're about $100 and they sent me a 20% coupon, so I really got them for $80. But like I said, they last. You will never feel wonderful comfort like you do in these shoes. They have all kinds of shoes, trail shoes, hiking shoes, casual shoes. So I'm going to try one on for you. I just want to describe all the wonderful special features of this shoe. I already mentioned the full grain leather upper. It has a breathable mesh lining inside. It's got the Ava contoured footbed, which supports all three arches of the foot. It's got a Q-Form 2 dual density midsole with heel centering technology, which provides engineered natural alignment and intuitive support and comfort for your foot. It's got an air cushioned heel, which absorbs shock and adds stability. And it's got that special M-Select grip technology, which delivers really durable, highly slip-resistant stability on wet and dry terrain. Very comfortable. Oh, now I really feel the difference on how mine are worn down. Wow, mine are really worn down compared to this one. They feel fantastic. And black goes with everything. You know, they're real. And you know what I like about leather? Your foot is always at the right temperature. It's a natural fabric. It breathes. Oh, they're so comfortable. Okay, let's see. So they had another one. It was a bestseller. And this is called their Encore Q2 Breeze. I wanted to get something that's more of a spring color. Aren't these pretty? They have like a mesh upper. Again, you've got that wonderful grip sole, and they call it a special kind of grip that dirt and stuff just does not stay in it. These, I wanted something that's casual, but that I'm going to be comfortable in, but then goes with kind of white if I want to wear white jeans or something. And this is one of their best sellers. Actually, their best seller is in this beautiful royal color blue. But I know I'm not going to get as much use out of the color blue, so I chose this color. Okay, let's try on this one. Oh, wow. Oh, but they're super comfortable. There you've got that great arch support inside, great stability. Oh, these are so nice. Aren't they pretty? They're so nice. I could just see me in, like, you know, lighter colored jeans, off-white, white, something like that. Okay, moving right along. I bought 2 pairs of summer type shoes. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. These are called the District Muri Wrap. Okay, these are brand new. Just a new arrival. So I want to try them. They're pretty nice, right? I chose this color, which was, I think, called Silver Lining. Very plush on the inside here, really soft. Great bottom, you know, a lot of support. It's got an air cushion in the heel. It's got memory foam, so it really will contour nicely to your foot and give you lots of support. So I'll try one on for you. You can see how it looks on my foot. This is my smaller foot, so I always have to buy for my bigger foot. It's very comfortable at first try. Of course, I'm going to wear these around the house to see how they feel for a little bit, because that's how you really get to feel them. But aren't they cute? They're comfortable. They're real comfortable. Very comfortable. I'll roll my pants up a little bit so you can see them. Really soft. Stays on nice. All right, let's see. This should be another pair of flip-flops. And these are called the District Mendy Thong. Okay. So let's see these. Oh, these were so cute. And these are similar to that pair of Skechers that I just showed you. I couldn't resist. Oh, let me get the other shoe. My other foot's barefoot. Cute, right? Isn't that pretty? And what's really nice about it is that I like the idea that these were adjustable right here. So you can make them sort of, you know, tighter or looser if you want. And they've got, again, that nice memory foam and the air cushion and a super nice, you know, these shoes just do not wear out. I mean, they're definitely lighter than my old ones. They've been making them lighter, which I wish they'd go back to this nice heavy style they had, but It looks like everybody wants lighter shoes now, so I've got to try to conform. So, oh yeah, they fit really comfortable. Oh, they're really nice. Okay, so here's what this one is. It's cute, right? I think it would go nice with jeans or shorts or whatever. Oh, super comfortable, very comfortable. Of course, I'm going to have to wear them around my house to give them the real test. But right now, the arch is in the right place, the heel's in the right place, the toe grip's in the right place, so I'm starting out really good here. But, yeah, aren't those cute? Cute, right? Really nice. It's really cute. So, these are my shoes. I am going to... Oh, and if you're interested, I do have a pair of these too. I love these. These are their slide-ons. They have, you know, that whole line of casual shoes. These are their slip-on, like hiking slip-ons and real rugged bottoms. Anyway, that's it for my unboxing. I hope you really like this video. Let me know in the comments below if you do, and let me know if you've tried Merrell and if you like them. Maybe you could tell me about a pair that you've tried that you really enjoy, or a hiking shoe that you really like. I'd be interested to know, because I'm always, you know, wanting to try more of their shoes. And please subscribe if you're new to my channel. I have a lot more to come, something of interest to everyone. And please visit me at my blog spot where I do a lot of writing. And I'm also on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, so we can stay connected there as well. All right, well, thanks so much for viewing. Bye-bye now.